Finding practicality and a system that is both sustainable and accessible for all your members of your house when you are on a budget, sometimes it could be almost impossible. Hello, sweet friend, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and I live somewhere in New Jersey in a very old home that is currently under a lot of repairs. My home lacked storage, or maybe I should have a lot of things in the kitchen, and because of that, the arrangement of the cabinets, it's just not enough, as well as the layout of how the kitchen was designed. Which begs the question, was it the design of the kitchen in this home that was not correct, or was it that back in the days around 1940s people just did not have as much as we do today? Currently I am in the process of repairing the main bathroom, which sits on top of the kitchen, and money is just not enough, and I am not rushing. The person that is helping me, it's my neighbor across the street who is 100% a handyman in all aspects from plumbing to electricity, and I try to do as much as I can by myself, and then between my brother who helped me and him, little by little we're getting things done. However, in the kitchen I desperately need storage, and I need systems that serves all three of my children. I picked up this cabinet, china cabinet, at the Facebook marketplace, and I only paid $50, and I am very pleased. It is a system that is still working up to this day. I picked it up about 3 weeks ago, and I am now sharing this with you. I got it home, and as you could see, I am giving this a very deep cleaning. I have a little bucket which has laundry powder detergent on it, and as I was going around, I realized that it needed something stronger, so I grabbed the degreaser that I picked up in Target, and here you see me that as I'm going, I'm rinsing and I am cleaning all of it, including the back part.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
I don't know what type of design style I have, and if you do know what it is, please leave it in the comments down below. My style is, if it's affordable and convenient and I can achieve it, then that's what it is. Most of the things around my home, either they have been found on the curb or on the Facebook market or passed on by neighbors to me. Here you see my neighbor, the one that I'm telling you that he's helping me fix the bathroom upstairs as well as the kitchen. But the colors in my wall, it's a aqua color, and the front door makeover that I did last year, that's more like a navy dark blue. I do like the coastal style, but I also like the boho style and the farmhouse style. So honestly, I'm just a hot mess. And I wish I could tell you that I know how to coordinate things, but I really don't. Now, here to clean the glass, because I did not have any type of glass product, I went the old school way with just vinegar. And can I just tell you, it does the job probably even better than any product out there specifically made to clean glass. Here, before I put this container with all our utensils, because it was in a different drawer, I'm just gonna give it a quick wipe down, and then on the other drawer we are going to put the napkins. But what I wanted to ask you is, I have at this point I have 3 china cabinets. This one that I paid $50, the first one that I got about 7 years ago for $150, and one that I found on the street. And at this point, the best thing that I can do is color them, paint them, I mean. And I would like for you to help me and tell me, what color do you think I should paint them all? Should I paint them all the same color, or should I have them different colors? One day when I have the money, I'll plan to redo my kitchen. But for now, this is going to be the system that it's going to be holding all of our kitchen things.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.
The goal for this china cabinet is to keep our daily plates and cups, as well as the napkins, the flatware, and on the bottom I am going to be storing all of our breads, our protein powder shakes, our toaster, as well as the peanut butter and jelly sandwich, the cocoa powder for my youngest son and his special cup, and on the top of it, underneath this, we currently are storing our fruits, so we see it and we are reminded to have it daily. And also, I'm storing the oatmeal. Friend, from the bottom of my heart, I want to take this moment to thank you for being here with me today. I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel and coming to my humble home every time I upload a video. I am reaching over, giving you a hug, and again, my family and I, we appreciate your visit and we thank you for your support. See you in my next video. Bye.
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.